Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. Today, I'm gonna guide you through how to sign up for Cupid dates. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.cupiddates.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official website of Cupid Dates. Go ahead and sign up for your account by selecting if you are a man or a woman by clicking on this little drop down on the right hand side. After you are done selecting your gender, click next, select your age from the drop down and choose your location in the next field. Finally, click next. Now enter an email address into the first text box. Make sure to enter a valid email address that you have access to. Once you're done entering your email, head over to the next field and type in a password for your account. Make sure to enter the password that you can remember easily while logging into your account next time. Finally, after you have your email address and your password registered, click on Start Now. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to successfully sign up for Cupid Dates. Now, you'll need to verify your account. In order to activate it, check your email by clicking on Check Email. This will take you to your email address that you registered with and you'll receive an inbox from Cupid Dates. Click it open and click on Confirm Email in the email inbox. You can also use the activation code right below to complete your registration. Simply copy it and go back to Cupid Dates, click on the activation code drop down and enter your code or paste it in. Finally, click OK and that way you'll be able to confirm your email that you registered with Cupid Dates. You can now upload a photo or take a photo so that you can upload a profile picture for yourself. You can do this right now or click on the cross icon at the top right and do this later on. That is how you can easily sign up for Cupid Dates, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.